Menteri Rangba kejelau kerat sangma nik sengisajan yula pentip baka sorkar kala itu kumba arpsan ekar ke Jaka ban pentrai ke jing trai beper ke ban kubdur thamai ya kanong ba shilong kata ban penitenat bat ban pen kelu Jaka hak jing senran lang ki he officer ke PWD urban affairs bat forest and environment Menteri Rangba ulalek jurep ya ke office ke PWD Phan Nonglait Park Brightwell Bungalow ka sorkar katmu ban shna ikalanti yat kejan
comprehensive plan to maximize the utility of the land and the government space that we have in the city. Another example is the Brightwell Bungalow, which is right behind me. As you're aware that this is again in a very strategic location and heart of the city, and our intention is to convert this area without disturbing the trees out here. There's enough open space. We clear it up and convert this into a parking lot and work towards how we could keep the bungalow and convert that also into something of a public utility where tourists maybe can come in and different utilities can be given to the people. So in a location like this, if we have a parking lot out here which could accommodate close to about 200 to 300 vehicles. So entire congestion around here, Pine Mount School, the Secretariat, the Sosotham and other offices which are around here, the parking can be in this place rather than on the roads, which ultimately leads to the congestion that we have. So this is again one part, and we expect that in this area also in about a matter of few months we should be able to start the work to flatten this place and create this into a parking space so that we'll have more space for the for cars to park, and which will lead further to the decongestion of our city.
Menteri Rangba ne kesengi ulah hiar ban jurep ya ke Phan Nonglait Park bat hagani ke jing jurep ulah betha ya ke tenat forest bat environment ban penkerian no ikimrat na ke Phan Nonglait Park Jaka State Zoo badang sutei thamai Haribhoi district kenang ba hagani ke Jaka kinla banang penhe bat ban shna ke Jaka penyang kali ban kelut kalet kawan jong upai ba.
And the entire process of redoing this particular park has already been planned. Part of the plan is to extend some space for the civil hospital, which you can see behind me. So we will be extending space and giving some space from here for the civil hospital so that more beds can come here and more facilities can be brought out. At the same time, we are in the process of shifting the animals from the park to the permanent location, which is the zoo, which is almost complete, and in the month of June we should be able to shift most of the animals to the zoo, to the enclosure that has been built out there. And once all of this is done, then we will start a proper reconstruction and renovation of the entire park, which will include a large number of facilities that will come up. At the same time, there will be some section behind where we are also planning to use for a parking lot so that there could be some decongestion in the city, and that process also will start very soon. So we have come here today with the entire team to study this and to look at the plans, and we hope that this will be one step towards ensuring that we are able to decrease the overall congestion in the city of Shillong.